Hello folks, another day, another video. Now with the Bessey clamps straight from Germany. This is the model EHKL 12, which is a trigger clamp. You press this red button and it slides pretty easy. It's pretty simple to use. You pump it up, you add pressure. This part is made of plastic. You can take it off if it protects the wood. And this clamp adds 300 pounds of pressure. It's pretty easy to release. Also, this red button is like magic. You press the red button and from a clamp that presses the wood, it becomes a clamp that expands. So maybe you're working on a chair or something else that you need to expand. Press the button again, you have your regular clamp back in place in a matter of seconds. Super easy to use, super strong, and straight to the point. And there is also this baby clamp, the EHKL MICRO. Also works the same way. The red button you slide. The body is also made of steel. The pinches are made of plastic. Super strong, and it looks small and fragile, but it can put up to 40 pounds of clamping force, so it's super strong. These are the two trigger clamps. Bessey's website, you know already. This is the website. If you want to look at the other options of clamps, there are many others. And now a quick demonstration about how you can use these clamps in your day.